That right there, that's the product pick of the week this week. It is the TCS3430, which is a tri-stimulus color sensor for ambient light, used for things like white balance on cameras, white point adjustment on displays, color sensing, ambient light sensing, optical identification, and color matching. A little web serial application that I made using Claude that is outputting, as you can see across the bottom there, the raw X, Y, and Z values, as well as infrared. So that's the raw values coming off the sensor. And then just I'm remapping that to the CIE index, which is essentially 0 to 1. So there we go. There's the very amber, there's the neutral, and there's the blue. So you can watch those scoot across that there, leaving a little trail as they go. My product pick of the week this week, it is the TCS3430 tri-stimulus color sensor.